Welcome back to episode 4 of FranklinWH Friday. I'm Brandon Sanchez, FranklinWH's marketing director and your host today. So it's that time again where trade shows have thoroughly taken over my life. And spoiler alert, we're going to RE+, and we've got some really exciting things cooking up. So come on down to the Anaheim Convention Center and visit us from September 10th through the 12th at booth number B46001. So don't forget that. If you haven't recognized the theme of this video series yet, we like to give things away. So as usual, our monthly photo video contest is live on social media. So if you're an installer or a homeowner, you can win a fabulous prize like an iPad or a GoPro. And it appears that I've inspired a few competitors to jumpstart their own Franklin Friday. So I feel very flattered. Thank you guys. Give you a little heart. But anyway, back to our regular scheduled program. So are you unsure about whether to opt for a large capacity or a small capacity home battery system? How can you make the best choice? Let me provide you with some practical tips. When choosing a home battery storage system, the decision between large capacity and small capacity options can be quite challenging. Large capacity systems typically exceed 20 kWh or kilowatt hours, which are ideal for high energy consumption homes. This will offer extended backup power and maximize solar utilization. However, they come with higher initial costs and space requirements. On the other hand, small capacity systems, which will range from 5 to 10 kWh, suit homes for lower to moderate energy needs. These are going to be more affordable up front and will be more space efficient because it requires less batteries. However, you're not going to have as much backup power during prolonged outages. When deciding on battery storage capacity, factors such as energy needs, budget, backup power requirements, space availability, solar integration, scalability, gotta take a breath, and energy management goals should be considered. By carefully assessing these factors, you can choose a battery storage that's right for you and your home's requirements. This will ensure that you have the optimal energy efficiency and independence that you require. You may be familiar with the term called NBT, or Net Billing Tariff. This is also known as NEM 3, and it's the updated version of NEM 2. It's a lot of acronyms, but basically NBT incentivizes you to integrate battery storage to basically get the most out of your solar. If you're looking to maximize the returns from your FranklinWH system, you can capitalize on high export rates in August and September to significantly reduce your expenses and increase your energy savings. If I haven't lost you yet, well done. If I have, then check out our recent social post and we cover this in greater detail. Or better yet, come on down to RE+ and meet me and the team in person. We can answer any specific questions that you may have. So now for the prizes. Thank you again for everyone that's joined in on the fun this month and showcased your beautiful projects. I love seeing them. TGE Solar, you are this month's winner and you have won our FranklinWH gift package. I also have one more special award winner, and this goes to Twin Solar Energy. You will also be receiving our FranklinWH gift package, and this is due to your high quality content that you put out there. Everything that I saw was really well executed, so well done. So all submissions that came in to me this month, you're going to receive some FranklinWH swag, just not one of my cute little A-Power pillows because I only made 2 of these, and yeah, they're adorable. Thanks again for watching. We appreciate your support, and I hope to see you all at RE+, and if I don't see you there, I'll catch you on the next episode.